Diet and lifestyle, the two most important aspects of life. To live a healthy life requires consuming healthy foods that provide the right nutrients to sustain life. Today I'll be discussing the function and structure of the circulatory system, some foods that contain good and bad fats, how bad fats affect your health, and finally some advice about keeping a healthy circulatory system and why a healthy diet and exercise are good for your health. Also known as the cardiovascular system, the circulatory system is a network of organs and vessels that flows blood, nutrients, oxygen, and other gases to and from cells. Without the circulatory system, the body wouldn't be able to fight such heavy diseases. Many people know it as a simple highway for blood. It is made up of three independent features that work together: the heart, lungs, and arteries. 7,527 litres of blood travels daily through 96,560 kilometres of blood vessels. Blood is made up of plasma, red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. An average adult has 4.7 to 5.6 litres of blood. The heart is a muscular organ with 4 chambers. It pumps blood through the network of arteries and veins. The lungs' function is to transport oxygen from the atmosphere into the bloodstream and to release carbon dioxide from the blood into the atmosphere. The system of blood vessels measure about 96,560 kilometers. It transports oxygenated blood to the heart and delivers nutrients to the body cells. There are 2 types of good fats: monounsaturated, which includes olive oil, canola oil, sunflower and sesame oil, foods like avocados, olives and nuts. Then there is polyunsaturated, which include corn oil, safflower oil, walnuts and fatty fish such as salmon and tuna. These fats play a huge role in helping you manage your moods, stay on top of your mental gain, fight fatigue, and even control your weight. They lower cholesterol, blood pressure, risk of heart disease, and obesity. Same goes for bad fats. There are 2 types, saturated and trans fat, both equally bad for your health. Examples of saturated fat include butter, cheese, cream, ice cream, lard, and high-fat cuts of meat. Examples of trans fat include commercially baked pastries, donuts, packaged snack foods, stick margarine, fried foods, and candy bars. These fats tend to be solid at room temperature. They increase bad cholesterol, blood pressure. They increase the risk of diabetes, heart disease, and obesity. Because the body doesn't know how to digest trans fat, they just sit in your gut. Saturated fats play the single greatest role in raising blood cholesterol and putting you at greater risk of heart disease. Trans fat raises bad cholesterol while lowering good cholesterol. Eating a diet of high fruits and veg will reduce diabetes and any other cardiovascular diseases. They are a great source of potassium, dietary fiber, and folic acids. Having a healthy diet will reduce coronary artery disease and help with weight management. A good lifestyle containing regular exercise and low stress will lower cholesterol, blood pressure, and risk of obesity.